Good morning, kids!
Good morning!
Good morning, Zaki! Today, we are going to learn about numbers. But first, we are going to do the warm-up, okay? You follow teacher Rose. Hands up, hands down. Hands up. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. Okay. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Okay, today, we are going to learn about numbers from 1 to 5. Okay, let's count first. 1.
I know how 1 to 100.
Wow! Good job. But we will learn today from 1 to 5. So follow teacher. Count with me, okay? 1. Count 1, 2. Yes, okay. 3, 4, 5. Okay, we will sing a song. I will. How many fingers on one hand? How many? Show your hand. On one hand. How many fingers on one hand? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers on two hands? How many fingers on two hands? How many fingers on two hands? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands with me. Okay, let's
All right.
start. 1, 2, 3. You follow teacher Zach. Very good. Okay, Zach, Zia. Let's clap our hands first. Sit down. Okay, good girl. Sit down. Sit down first. Okay, sit down, Zaki. Let's clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Wow, I'm gonna show you the numbers. Yes, only 1 to 5. Good. Okay. But now we only learn about 1 to 5. Zia, sit nicely. Sit crisscross. Zaki, crisscross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1. Zia, let's count 1 to 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we will going to match the numbers to the blocks. Here we have blocks. Okay, let's put 1. What number is this? It's 1. So let's put 1 here. How many blocks do we have? We have 1. Okay, next.
Next number.
Number is, what number is this, Zia? It's number 2. Good job, Zia. Okay, let's put 2 blocks. Okay, let's count. 1, 2. Okay, how many blocks do we have here? We have 2. Okay, next. What number is this? This is, what comes after 2? It's 3. Say 3. 3. Okay, let's count. 1. Let's put some blocks. Okay, you do it. 1. Wow. 2. And 1 more. We need 1 more. 1 more to make it 3. Yay! Good job, Zia. Give me 5. Give me 5. Yay! What number is this? It's 3. Say 3. Okay. Okay, next number. What number is this? It's number... What comes after 3? It's number 4. Okay, we're finished here. Number 4. Say 4. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3,
Okay, and one more. 4. Put it here. Put it here. Yay! It's 4. Okay, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the last number. What number is this? It's number... Okay, this one is finished. This is 3. We are now on the number... What number is this, Zia? It's... Here, look at here. Look here, Zia. It's number 5. Say 5. Okay. Oh, this one is 3. This is only 3. Okay.
1, 2, very good. 3, 4, 5. Good job, Zia. Okay, don't double it. Okay, okay. All right. Clap your hands. Clap your.
Clap your hands.
All right.
All right, Zia. How many apples do you see? How many apples? Yes. Wow, very good, Zia. And how many stars do you see? 2. And here, how many frogs do you see? Wow! And this one, how many cars did you see? 4. And the last one, how many flowers do you see? Yay! Very good, Zia. Okay. Now we are going to trace the numbers. Okay, like this, I'll show you. Okay, this one, number 1, you do like this and down. Okay, number 2, you do like this, round and across. Okay, number 4. Okay, let's trace the number 4. You do like this, across and down. Number, Zia, I see it, number 5. Okay, let's trace the number 5. You do across, down, and round. Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I give you the paper, the worksheet, and you trace. Very good, Zia. All right. 1. Say 1. Good job, Zia. And down. Yay! Next number is, what number is this? 2. Very good. Round. Here, from here. You trace this one. Round and across. Okay. Yes. Next number is 3. You do the round. Another round. Good girl. And the next number is, what number is this? Number, what comes after 3? It's 4. Say 4. Yeah. Number is not yet. Okay, number 4. You trace number 4 yet. This one, not yet finished. Okay. Down. Yes. Across. Across. Down. Yes. And across. And then down. Good job. This one, what number is this? It's 5. Say 5. Good job, Zia. You do across first from here. Across. Down. And round.